Am I talking too many things? Guys, if you can hear me, please let me know that everything is cool, okay? And I'm extremely sorry to disturb you again. So if everything is okay, just let me know that, okay? At the same time, please don't forget to give me a simple like in the message. Don't forget, give me a like. Can you hear me, guys? Okay, thank you. And I actually, thank you, Ryan. Uh, Mystic, how was your first day? Everything was cool, man. Today's first, 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 and yeah, I enjoyed it a lot. Okay, guys, actually, I couldn't stop myself to come back again to the live because of this price action. So I thought, yeah, I will make a daily recap video, but I thought, let's go. Let's go for the live, okay? And I'm extremely sorry to disturb you again, and again, okay? So what I left here, I told that market can reverse from a random area. So this high is just a random area, okay? Above this last 50-minute parallel gap. It has to reach that in this parallel gap at least. So I was bullish. Now market went lower, perfect. Around the lunch hour, it went lower, right? Where did it go? Now don't look at this parallel gap. I will show you it later, okay? Don't look at this one. Just look this parallel gap. What is this? The last parallel gap from 15 minutes. Market has taken the liquidity, market structure shift, first parallel gap or the entry parallel gap, last parallel gap, right? Hey George, let's some money for the wells. Okay. I'm the whale, George. Really? Oh man. I'm extremely sorry to disturb you guys again, okay? I couldn't stop myself. So just look at this 15-minute parallel gap or the last parallel gap. Anybody has any confusion about this last parallel gap? I don't think so. You should not have any confusion about the last parallel gap. Entry parallel gap, last parallel gap. I'm coming to 1 minute chart. So this is that last parallel gap, and there was the entry parallel gap. When price was inside the entry parallel gap, it was the lunch hour. So around lunch hour, we should not take any entry around the lunch hour. Okay? And this is I'm just going to let it go. Okay, I'm not going to close it. This is paper money. You can see this paper money. I didn't touch my real money. I'm enough. Okay, with my real money. So this is that last parallel gap from 15-minute chart. Below this parallel gap, this is the 1 minute last parallel gap. Okay, this is 1 minute last parallel gap. So when price come first at the last parallel gap from 15 minutes at here, it came for the first time. Was there any market structure shift? No. So price came lower. Where did it go? 1 minute last parallel gap. But the 15-minute last parallel gap is my first priority. That means you can't frame your trade from the 1 minute last parallel gap, but you can frame your trade from 15-minute last parallel gap or the entry parallel gap. Okay. Now it went little higher, went lower. This is a very nice displacement, right? This is a market structure shift. Is that swing high valid for shifting market structure? No. Why? The reason is it didn't trade any parallel gap here. It doesn't have any swing high on its left and on its right. Both of them should have been below that high, right? Now I have a swing high on its left, but I don't have a swing high on my right. So this swing high is not valid for shifting market structure. So this is not the market structure shift. Market went lower one more time, went higher, make that swing high. Okay? Then went lower, take this liquidity, fail to take that low. Try to understand the fact, brother. Here, this low, market failed to take. See, it didn't even touch that low, but it has taken all of these lows. So all the liquidity has taken. After taking the liquidity, very immediate reaction. Now over here, this is market structure shift. Why this one is market structure shift? Now this swing high has traded that small parabolic gap. Okay, now maybe you are confused about this small parabolic gap. You are thinking, no, this is not valid parabolic gap for trading. Okay, no problem. On my left there is a swing high. See, three candle makes that swing high. On my right there is a swing high. Both of them are below that swing high. So this swing high is valid for shifting market structure. There is your market structure shift. Where is your parabolic gap? There is your parabolic gap. Now I actually took my entry over here when just I got the market structure shift. I I added one. Now I was so much confident about this entry. You know, I was bullish until this parabolic gap because market can't reverse from. I will read your comment. Okay, first let me explain this setup. Market can reverse from a random area. That's my belief. Okay? So when it come here, I took one entry, and then when it was very near to that parabolic gap, I added one more. So there were two entry, one contract, two contract. After that, market went higher. Right now, where is it? I know it's random, very random, right? Where is it? 1 minute last parabolic gap. Can you see the reaction from the 1 minute last parabolic gap? Very nice reaction from there. Now I am thinking that market is going higher, so this is not going to hold the price. That's my belief. That's my belief. Okay. The last parabolic from 1 minute chart, it's not going to hold the price, as from 15-minute chart, I'm expecting price will come here. Okay. So you can see this setup over here. Is it really hard to determine? I mean, really hard? I don't think so. It's really hard. You have to do one thing, right? You have to go to your 15-minute chart. First you have to look for the liquidity. Where is your liquidity? Here, this is your sell side liquidity. Do you have any buy side liquidity? No, you don't have any buy side liquidity. Nothing, right? You don't have any buy side liquidity, but you have this relatively equal lows here and this sell side liquidity. You have both of them. The market is going higher, higher, higher. It came and stopped over there, right? So you know market is going to fall, but can it fall from a random area? Is it really possible? No, it's not possible. It's not possible to reverse from a random area. It came here, stopped there, it went lower. When it came lower, I mean, let me explain this one more time. I mean, let me actually find out the word. Okay. First, it has to reach to that parabolic because this is a logical level. It has to reach over there before falling, right? So it started to go lower. Same thing. When it will go higher again, it can go higher in a random area, from a random area. It can't do that. So either you have to have a 15-minute parabolic gap, last parabolic gap, or the entry parabolic gap for reversing. Is it clear, guys? I'm just making it more complicated, I guess. So let me start from the beginning again. I have the sell side liquidity, so my bias is bearish. I am looking for sell. Okay? Now when I saw market came here, I can't look for sell. Why? Because market can reverse from a random area. But unfortunately, market is going lower, right? I'm not looking for sell. Why? Because this can't be the reversal. Though my bias is bearish, this can't be the reversal. So I know market has to reach over here. So in a short term, I'm bullish. In a short term, okay, try to understand. In a short term, I'm bullish because market has to reach over there before reversing. So when I'm bullish, I have to find a level here so that I can frame my trade. Where is the level? I have this 15-minute last parabolic gap, right? When I got this last parabolic gap from 15-minute chart, I will go to 1 minute chart. Now, when I'm in 1 minute chart, I saw it went little lower. Then I found this 1 minute last parabolic gap. Again, you can't frame your trade from 1 minute chart. This is forbidden, guys. You can't do it. But you can expect a reaction, okay, small reaction. So if you want to take that reaction, it's cool, but it's kind of gambling. The taking the reaction is kind of gambling, but I do that. Sometimes I do that, whatever. So this is the first time when price came here. to that 1 minute last fair value. So this is the lowest low, right? You are expecting market will go higher. You are expecting that. This whole price action, you will let it go. Why? Because you didn't get any market structure shift here. Can you show me any market structure shift around that area before this market structure shift? Was there any market structure shift? No. I mean, in my rules, there was no market structure shift. Maybe according to your rule, this is your market structure shift, but according to my rules, I didn't see any market structure shift before here. Okay, so market went lower one more time, failed to take the lowest low. This is kind of what to say. I mean, very confidence that yeah, maybe market is going higher. Then I find out this market structure shift, this fair value gap. Okay, over here. Now you can say market didn't trade that fair value gap, but it was very near to that fair value gap. So that's why I always tell you, don't wait exactly to trade one fair value gap. If there is one fair value gap, don't wait to trade that fair value gap. Try to take close approximately entry. Try to do it, okay? So I took my entry over there. You can see here. Just let me show you where I took my entry. Just look, where did I took my entry? Just below, I mean, just little above that fair value gap. When this candle came very near to that line, I took my entry. Can you see it? At the end of the line, I took my entry over there. I mean, I added one more. First one I took here. When price closed over there, I took here. And then market went higher and here. Where market is going? Here. Am I going to hold my trade until there? No. I'm trying to hold my trade until here. I mean, if it was my real money, I have already taken a partial around that area. When it came to that 1 minute last fair value gap, first time here, I have already taken my partial. And rest one contract, I will let go until that swing high or maybe that rejection block. Okay, let's just let go until that rejection block over here. So I will hold my trade until that. I don't need to send price until that fair value. I don't need it. I just need this run. Can you see how many handle over here? So from here to until here, okay, 73 handle. Let's go to, I will read your comment, guys. Just give me some more times, okay? Because I want to make this more clear to all of you. Risk to reward ratio 1:5. I know some of you guys actually love risk to reward ratio, and you see, I actually don't look for this risk to reward, but yeah, the reason is sometimes my risk to reward is 1:10. Sometimes it's kind of 1:1.5, maybe 1:1, maybe 1:0.7. Okay, something like that. But yeah, I don't look at this. I look for the obvious thing. Where is my stop loss? I didn't move it actually. See this candle low. I just put my stop loss over. Okay, I put it over there, just below that low actually. I don't know why it's here. Maybe I moved it little bit later. I don't remember. But whatever. I don't need to show you this thing one more time. Where is the best place to put your stop loss? Below that low. Here is the best place. I have a very bad habit, so I actually go for the precision because market should not go below that low. And over here, this is the setup. You can see, I mean, if it was my real money, I have already know what would be the thing. Okay, now is the time to read your comment because I explained everything. If you have any confusion, you can ask me the question. Okay, I'll just give you the answer. Okay, hey Danny, how are you, brother? Oh, brother, not disturbing at all. Please add welcome all your videos and live streams. Thank you, Shahid. Thank you, brother. Maxing, late notification. I'm sorry, but yep, I'm sorry. Maybe next time we'll be very fast. Okay, Mayank, we won't be late. Thanks for your time. No problem, Gerald. No problem, brother. RK16. Hey, soldier. Guys, you don't think that we are ready to start to take something more advice from this smart small guy? Oh man, RK16. That was the comment, man. Thanks for explanation, brother. Simply amazing. Thank you, Shahid. He has 4K subs now. Yeah, I have the 4K subs. Today I got 4K, 4100. Okay, so I love. Okay, let it go. Okay, right now I'm not thinking about any entries. Let it finish first. Then I will talk about another setup. Okay, right now let it finish. So, and guys, if it hit my target, please write down boom. Please, every single one. I love this word, man. I love this word. Please write down the boom. That's my request to all of you. Okay, here is my subscribe. I know it disturbs you a lot, but you know, I love this. This what to say. 4102. I'm really happy for all of you guys who ever subscribed to my channel. I'm trying to make it more easier, but thanks to all to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. I don't think less small anymore. Yeah, I'm not less small anymore. I mean small in his size only because I believe that Bangladeshi people have a small size. RK16, I'm 5 feet 9 inch. Okay, I don't know. I maybe you are much more longer, but I my height is 5 feet. That means 173 meter centimeter actually, 173 centimeter. Okay, so 5 feet 9 inch, whatever you understand. Yeah, no problem. Okay, guys, please don't forget to give me a like. Please, thank you. Rain, good explanation. Thank you, brother. John Dre, Moni. Hey, brother, how are you? Garkoyan, boom. Thank you, guys. Thanks for writing down boom. Thank you, Judge, to all, to the top, John Dre, Gerald. Thank you, guys. Preet, Ahmed Mustafa. Thank you, guys. Thank you. RK16, thank you, brother. Bro, I have a question. You said it was not going to reverse from random area, but when the market took out 2:45 p.m. swing high from Friday, wasn't it possible to reverse and start to go down from there? Let me check, brother. What did you say? When the market took out 2:45 p.m. swing high from Friday, 45. Let me go to 15-minute chart. Are you talking about this? Yeah, brother. Random. I mean, okay. I think. Oh man, 173 centimeter is still small. Okay, no problem, bro. What happened to your prop firm idea? What was that, brother? What about what? I mean, what is that? Prop firm idea means? Can you make it more clear? And I'm going to give you the answer, Mystic. Okay, look. Yeah, if you tell me that, brother, this is a buy side liquidity. Okay, just for example, this is the buy side liquidity. Market has taken the buy side liquidity, right? For reversing, that means all of you know market go from premium to discount. All of you know market go for liquidity, right? But for reversing from a area, okay, if market would love to reverse from here to here or here to here, it has to trade a level. Okay, the reaction, it can happen because of the order block. The reaction can happen for the breaker block. The reaction can happen for anything else. But for reversal, it needs the gap. It that means this type of fair value gap. Okay, so here, look at here. There is no fair value gap. Nothing over here. If I go to 1 minute chart, in 1 minute chart, maybe I will get some 1 minute fair value gap, last fair value gap. Let me check actually. I am not sure, but I can see a fair value gap. I'm going to mark that fair value gap. I don't know it has traded or not. Okay, I'm just telling you one more time. I don't know it has traded that fair value gap or not. But this is the last fair value gap. So I'm going to see if it has traded that. No, it didn't trade that on. If there is any entry fair value gap, let me check it as well. I don't think so. There is any entry fair value gap. No, nothing. So if I go to 5 minute set, maybe I will find some fair value gap here from any other time frame or any other level, maybe from hourly chart or from anywhere else. Okay, I don't know what I have here. But for me, this is just a random area because I don't have any higher time frame level here. So this area has no power to send price for that liquidity. It has no power. But this area has the power. 15-minute entry fair value gap or the 15-minute last fair value gap. They have the power to send price back toward that liquidity, sell side liquidity. Do you understand what do I mean by random area? It has taken that buy side liquidity. That doesn't mean it has reached in a area that can send price back. If you look for the area, this is that area. That's why I was bullish. Even though market went lower perfectly, there was so many setup over there. I don't care about all of this run. I really don't care about this run because this is against my understanding. Now, is it going to work every single time? I'm unable to say 100% of the time, but I'm going to tell you 99.99% of the time you will see this. If you want to show me the precision, here it came to the 1 minute last fair value gap, went higher. Also, this is I guess the 15-minute entry fair value gap. There is the 15-minute entry fair value gap over here. Let me go over there. Was there the 15-minute last? Yeah, here. This is that 50-minute entry fair value gap. So price came here to that entry fair value gap or some other level or whatever. I don't want to talk over here. But market has to reach that entry fair value gap for reversal. I don't know. Maybe I'm making it more complicating. Okay. So if I just keep continue saying the same thing, I will make it more complicated. You please watch the first, I mean, morning session, then you will understand what I mean to say the random area, brother. Is it clear still, man? Let me know, okay? By the way, happy fasting, brother. Thank you, Vico. Thank you, man. Yeah, let's see if everything is okay. You were thinking of starting a prop firm, am I right? Mayank, I'm only trading to my prop firm. Okay, trade away. I mean the top step for near about 1.5 year now. Yeah, something like that. So just top step I'm using for near about 6 to 7 months. Something like, I mean, after the my forex fund, when it has the problem with the regulation, I started top step. Okay, before top step I was regularly trading FTMO and my forex fund. Then I blew out my FTMO because I was thinking about my own funded, but I keep continue the top step. So I have 150k top step account, just one account. Recently I got one more express account, that is 50k express account. Okay, I'm struggling, to be honest, guys. I'm not afraid to tell you the truth. I'm struggling to continue that 50k account because I'm taking 1 day profit. Next 2 days, I'm getting the loss, something like that. Because I'm really struggling to cope up with 150k account with 50k account because of the loss limit. Okay, over there I have the loss limit of $1,000. Here I have the loss limit for $6,000. So I'm just messing it up with 150k and 50k. The last account I blew without intention, okay, not intentionally. Without intention I blew when I got break up with my girlfriend. I blew my account that day. Not my real one actually, but that was a 50k account as well. I blew that account. So that's the nearest blow up account. And when my mind is something bad, I blow my account. Okay. Mystic, did you get your answer, brother? Did you get your answer? Just let me know, brother. Denny, thank you, man, for writing down boom. 173 centimeter is still small. Thank you, RK60. No problem. Let me know what is your height. Okay. Uh, which is more strong energy, Fabulous gap or last Fabulous gap? What do you mean by Fabulous gap? I mean, if oh man, I actually told that long time ago. Let me tell you one more time. Let me find first something. Okay. Okay. Over here, there are three types of Fabulous gap. First, this one. This is called the fair value gap. Word, okay? Try to understand, man. Fair, value GAF. This is three word. All of these three word is inside here. Now here, this gap, look at this gap here. This is not fair value gap. It's a gap with some value. That means you can say value gap. I'm not renaming something. I'm not making something new. I'm just I'm just telling you this so that you can understand what is actually the fair value gap. This gap has a value. That value is fair, not unfair. Okay. Here, this gap has a value, but it's not fair, not unfair. Okay. There is no fair something. Just a gap which has some value. This is just a gap. This one is just a gap. I don't care about this gap. This gap, I don't really care. Now, here, this look at this gap. This is called the first gap. First fair value gap, okay, over here. This is also the fair value gap, like this one. The last fair value gap and the first fair value gap, both of them are fair value gap. The entry gap is actually a gap with some value, but it's not fair. Okay, I'm just trying to use the word. I know all of you know better than me, but I'm just telling you. Okay, so last fair value gap and any fair value gap is not different. It's not different, man. Last fair value gap actually play the most important role, and the first fair value gap actually play the most important role. It's little complicated things. I hope if you study more you will understand. Okay, you will understand, brother. Okay, how you find buy side or sell side liquidity? Preet, I go for relatively equal highs, relatively equal lows. So over here, if you were with me in my morning session, you knew that there was my buy side liquidity. Where was my buy side liquidity actually? Here, actually. Sorry. That was my buy side liquidity. The obvious buy side liquidity over here. And I had the sell side liquidity over here. Okay, this was my sell side liquidity from the morning session. So remember these two lines. I'm gonna make it red. I'm going to make it green. Okay. Now I'm going to 1 minute chart here around the CPI. I took this entry, man, in my live account. Market went below that sell side liquidity, so it has cleared that sell side liquidity. Came to that last fair value gap. Why last fair value gap? Because this is new day opening gap. There is no other gap below that new day opening gap from higher time frame, and new day opening gap is much more stronger. When this candle closed above that new day opening gap high, I took my buy here. That was my target. I took this entry to my live account. You are with me in Twitter, you have seen that entry, right? There was the last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. I took re-entry over there until that low, though I knew that market will come here to that fair value gap. I wasn't sure that market will go lower and take the next sell side liquidity. So this low and that low, they had made the relatively equal lows. So sorry, not that one. This low and that low, they are relatively equal lows. Market has taken that relatively equal lows, but I wasn't I mean confident about that big run, but I was confident that market will come. There was the last fair value gap from 15 minutes chart. I was confident that market will reach until that fair value gap. So I took an entry and I closed it over here below that low. Okay. So this is how I actually mark the buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity. I always go for relatively equal highs, relatively equal lows. There is no other way I look the liquidity. No session liquidity, nothing at all. I make it very simple. There is no, you don't need to be make this so complicated. Just look for the obvious thing. What is the obvious thing? Relatively equal lows. Why this is the liquidity? Because this is double bottom. Why relatively equal highs is important? Because that is double top. Why I told you that when market actually take the shallow run over here, when market take the shallow run, why this is the obvious liquidity? Because let me tell you, this is a swing here, right? Market came here every single person to buy, sell there, because it is kind of going to make the double, I mean double top. When it went little above, I'm going to give you very small example. I'm just trying to share the theme. When it breaks, that means resistance turns into support. Whoever took sell here, they got stopped out, they took rebuy here. I know from 15 minutes it's very small, but I'm just trying to tell you the story of the obvious liquidity. Turns into they're going to take the buy. When they took the buy, market went lower, they got stopped out again, right? So nobody is going to press their button over here again. But they are seeing this. This is a very strong zone now. The retail trader, they are thinking this is a very strong zone because market went higher but failed to go high. Instead of that, it fall. So they don't care about anything else. They will see this zone as a obvious double top zone. So next time when price came here, they have started to sell. The market went higher, stopped them out. That's why I told, if you ever see this type of shallow run, you will mark that shallow run as your obvious liquidity. Market will leave everything, but they will never leave this type of obvious liquidity. Never ever. I mean, nothing is 100%, but that's my wrong. That's my mistake. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. Okay. You are thinking of okay. Mystic, right? I understood. So there should be a high time frame parallel gap for the market to reverse completely. Absolutely, brother. That's my thinking. Not 100% of the time. You will get that 99% of the time. Okay. How much you got payout till now from top step? Why, brother? You need a share? If you want, I can give it to you. Okay. But you have to give me your bank account because I'm unable to withdraw my money from top step. So please give me your account number. I'm gonna send the money to your account and you will give me back, okay? 369. So for MSS, brother, does it make differences if we mark from candle body or week? I go for the week. I go for the week, okay? I for only for the market structure shift, I need the week. I don't care about the body. Never ever. If if you ask me about the market structure shift, you have to go with the week to week. I mean, if the body close above that week high, cool, no, nothing is wrong. But if body close here but weak go above that high, I got the market structure shift. Okay, for shifting market structure, I'm done. I got the market structure. I don't care about the body. It's only because of the market. I mean, it's it's applied for the market structure shift only. Okay? Here I have to wait more time here. I just can't frame my trade here because market has reversed from here to here. If you want to take your entry there, that's called chasing price. Okay, because here you don't have any level. If you come to 15 minutes chart, look, there is no level you can frame your trade, no last parallel gap, nothing. You just can't frame your trade. Instead of that, look at this parallel gap. If it can make this parallel gap, if it can come back again to that parallel gap, then maybe then you can frame your trade. Otherwise you have to frame your trade when it will be here to that entry parallel gap. Guys, again, if you ever doubt about my direction, I'll be very upset. I'm pretty much sure about my direction. Okay, because I go with the logic. I go with the logic, and I'm just trying to give you the way you can get the logic as well. Okay? Now, if you look for something else like previous day high, previous session high, then you will messed up with everything. It's true, man. You just can't mix every single thing. You just can't do it. You have to be strict with one thing. It's your job to find out the easiest one. Okay. So I love to go with the easy thing. Marking the entry parallel gap and the last parallel gap is the easiest one. I believe so. Every swing has the last parallel gap. Here, this swing, where is the last parallel gap? Maybe there is the last parallel gap. Now market is just do some consolidation. It went higher. So this is a swing, right? There is your last parallel gap. There is your last parallel gap. There is your last. I mean, if there is a last parallel gap, something like that. Every swing. Okay, market is falling here. from here it fall. Last parallel gap. Trade there, fall. Last parallel gap. Trade there, fall. Maybe where is last parallel gap? Maybe here. This is the last parallel gap. Trade that last parallel gap again, fall. Look, every swing has the last parallel gap. Here, this is the last parallel gap. Just start from here, you will understand everything slowly. Okay, you can't get everything by one day. You have to spend more time. You have to study whatever I'm trying to give you by yourself. If I just keep showing you this, it won't help you because you will see this chart like that way. If you don't mark the level I marked in my chart, you are not going to learn anything. Nothing, man. You are just wasting your time. Trust me. You are just simply wasting your time. Is it logical to reverse from here at the morning session when I showed you everything? Last parallel. Oh, let me show you one more time. Here, that was the last parallel gap. From there, there. This is the last parallel gap from 15-minute chart. I'm going to 1-minute chart again. Here, when market came to that 15-minute last parallel gap, did it fall? Obviously. 1-minute last parallel gap went higher. This parallel gap actually worked the most important job. This new day opening gap actually. It went higher. It reversed from a random area. Like here, when it reversed from a random area, I told that I'm not agree. It can't reverse from there. It has to reach over there at least for going lower. So it actually reverse, go over there, then it fall for that sell side liquidity. Went higher. Where should it go? At least to that area. At least to that area. If market is overzealous, it will reach until the last parallel gap. If it is not overzealous, when it will be reached over there, I will look for sell. I will start to look for sell. I'm done with buy. I'm done with buy side. Now I will look for the sell. Sometimes it will reverse from a random area. Because if it works 100% of the time, then I will be the billionaire already, right? I'll be, I hope you will understand. But very rare, you will see the random reversal. Simple thing, man. So make it easy, man. 186 centimeter, and I feel I'm short next of my people. Oh man, you are 13 centimeter higher than me. Oh man, I get 16. You are a soldier, man. Don't compare me with yourself. But 137 is smart, okay? You know, is smart. Swag trades. Why? It's still fair value gap. Yeah, swag trades is it's still fair value gap, brother. But I just showed the what to say. I mean the sequence. Which one is the most important one? Which one is the less important, and which has no importance at all? Okay, so it's not fair value gap. Fair value gap is three words. I believe that nobody ever talked about three words. You all know fair value gap, fair value gap, fair value gap, but it's not fair value gap. It's the three words. That means a gap which has a value. That value is fair or unfair. There is three gaps. Now, if you ask me, ICT talked about this? No, man, ICT didn't talk about this. I asked myself, I tried to find out why some gap works perfectly, why some gap has no priority, and finally I find out this. Okay, so I learned it from ICT without even noticing. I mean, ICT even didn't notice that. Okay, something like that. So I'm not the creator of anything, but yeah, I learned it by myself. Nobody taught, teach me this. You are such a nice guy, and still a girl left you. My sin, I'm not a nice guy. Actually, when she left me, she told me that I'm good for nothing. My okay, no problem. Why? Swag trades. Brother, I think I gave you the answer, brother. It's still a fair value, okay? But there is a, I mean, importance level, okay? I think that's the reason why she left because he's a great guy. Girls wants to be with bad guys, lol. I guess 16. Unfortunately, girls like bad boy more. Okay, I'm not a bad boy. I'm not a good boy as well. Hmm. He left because he loves Nasdaq more than her. Ah, no, Shahid, it's not true, man. When I was with her, I wasn't regular to my trading as well. Okay, rarely I come in front of my chart. You know, I am chart addicted, but still, there is a week, 1 week I didn't come in front of my chart. Later, I mean, at the midnight, I see the, the recap, but I wasn't in front of my chart in live. So, you know, oh guys, you are taking the fun now, right? Hi, better than ICT himself. No, man, it's not true, Swag. To be honest, man, ICT is the best. ICT, nobody can beat ICT. He's the, he's the, what to say? He's the wizard. Okay? He's the wizard. He's the legend. He's the goat. He's the guru. Everything. Nobody can be better than him by his concept. Nobody, simply nobody. You sell mentorship, bro? No, brother. I will never sell mentorship. I will never sell anything. I mean, I will sell. I will sell. I mean, for example, the membership. If you see, if you think this is selling, yeah, I'm selling that membership. I mean, if you want to take the membership, it will cost maybe $3, maybe $6, $25, something like that. But mentorship, something. I mean, because of the money I will teach you. No, it is no, never going to happen. You can message me over here to my Twitter. I never left anyone's message. You can see there is nothing popped up here. Okay, so I always try to reply at least to everyone's message. So you can ask me any type of question to my Twitter. Guys, I'm waiting here. Okay, I'm just waiting here. I can't frame a trade. I can't do it from here. Okay, so I am just waiting to reach here. Then I will look for a trade. That's why I'm talking something else. The setup was over here. I showed you the setup. I explained the setup. It's not new. I didn't change my word. I didn't do anything. I'm just showing you the same thing again, again, and again in live to my live. Okay. Now don't take my entry like over here. I took entry here first. When this candle closed, I took my entry over there. Then I add one more. You will go with this entry. You are not going to push your button here for the first time I pushed. So please don't look my entry. Just take the logic. Just take the logic. Don't take my entries because sometimes I push my button which I never talked about. Okay. I see something which I never talked about. Sometimes I do that. So please don't take my entries. Take the logic. If you take the logic, entries nothing. Entries nothing. Okay. So if you come here to this Twitter, it's at the rate of 1NRT12345. This is my username for my Twitter. You will get the link to my description, both membership link and this Twitter link. You will get it to my description, I believe. So you can follow me over there, and if you have any inquiry, you can message me over there. Okay, I will try to reply you whenever I will get my free time. I will reply you. So you don't need the mentorship or private thing, something like that. You will use this thing as your paid mentorship. Okay, this your Twitter. This is your paid mentorship without giving me anything. I love free teaching, man. Don't talk about money. I can't even afford a prop farm challenge right now. Man, uh, I mean, yeah. Okay, brother. I'm not going to talk about this. Okay, man. I have to look for last parabolic between a swing low and swing high, right? What did you ask? I have to look for a last parabolic between a swing low and a swing high, right? No, man. It's the simple thing. Let me tell you again. Look, market come here to here, right? Then retrace little, went higher. Retrace little, went higher. So this is a leg. Can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me? Guys, can you hear me? I think so. Oh man, my internet. Yeah, just buffering a little. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Thank you. So every leg has the last parabolic up. I guess it's clear, brother. I mean, there's nothing complicating things. I mean, there's nothing called very complicated. It's the simple thing. Every leg, the first parabolic gap turns into the last parabolic gap. Simple thing, brother. Okay, Mayank. Brother, tell us the rules of shallow run. When to mark and when it got an on non-affected. And shallow run is the simple thing. I mean, shallow run, how can I explain this shallow run? Look over here. This is just a simple logic. This high, right? This is a swing high. It has taken by that swing high. Look, it was not my buy side liquidity. When that was just a single high, I didn't see this as my buy side liquidity. This level was not my buy side liquidity. Now, later price went little bit higher, weak. Nobody closed above that high. Above that high, nobody closed. Only market went higher, and this is just a small weak. I am seeing this as a shallow run. Okay, do you know what is the meaning of shallow? I mean, just it sweep the liquidity, something like that, sweeping liquidity. When I see this for the first time, this shallow run high will be my obvious liquidity. Now, before I had no buy side liquidity around that area. Now I have the most obvious buy side liquidity there. Now, when you will get an opportunity to take a buy, you have the most obvious level where market has to go. Okay, is it clear, brother? This is the shallow run. It's called a shallow run. Take a look at 1 hour fair value gap. It takes this and could react now. Thank you, Alina, but let me actually go to 1 hour. So this is the 1 hour fair value gap. Still, it didn't trade that 1 hour fair value. Now I don't need that 1 hour fair value gap because I have very clean 15-minute fair value gap. So I don't need that 1 hour fair value gap. Still, it didn't reach to that 1 hour fair value gap. Still, okay. Still, this is the random area. So over here, it's falling. I'm not seeing this. Market is going toward that sell side liquidity. Still, I'm thinking market is going higher. I'm bullish still. Something like that. It was falling, right? Boom, 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 boom. It fall. Am I thinking that market is going for that? No, I'm not thinking like that way. I'm thinking it's going lower to trade an imbalance or obvious level, or it's going lower to take some liquidity. That's why it's just falling. Over here, same thing. It's falling. I'm cool with that. I'll go to 15-minute chart and I will see if there is anything. Why market fall? Okay, I got something here. So there is the 15-minute fair value gap. Okay, over here. Over here. This is the 15-minute fair value gap. I will go to 1-minute chart. I will try to look for another buy here. I'm not, guys, please don't frame your trade. Okay, I'm just trying to give you the example from here. So I will look for a buy here. If I get any opportunity to take buy, I'll go for that. Now I don't have the buy side liquidity. I have that imbalance, just the imbalance. If there is a buy side liquidity, I can frame my trade by anything else. I mean, I just can push my button. If there is imbalance, I have to wait for this type of market structure shift, fair value gap, boom, something like that. If there was a buy side liquidity, okay, let me check. Okay, I got it. Guys, brother who asked me about the shallow run, look, now I'm going to give you the shallow run. This high has taken by that high, right? See, this is just a shallow run. If you ever see this, mark this as your obvious buy side liquidity, and you should believe market is going to take that buy side liquidity. In that type of situation, I don't have the, not inversion fair value gap. This is not inversion fair value gap, but no, not inversion fair value gap actually, because it has taken that low. I just can't frame my trade from the inversion fair value gap, so I'll just let it go. But it should take that liquidity. Okay, I'm not seeing this as a inversion fair value gap, though it was very nice. I mean, it is really looking so nice. Sometimes it makes me more confused. So right now I'm confused about this run. Is that inversion fair value gap or not? I don't know. I'm sorry guys, but yeah, I don't know, because this low has taken that low, though this is not a clean swing low. Now is it going to Is that the perfect swing low or that on or that on? I don't know. So no, I'm not looking for this as my inversion fair value gap. But yeah, this is the buy side liquidity now. This is the obvious buy side liquidity. Trust me. Market will leave everything behind it. But this buy side liquidity has to be taken. Okay? Because this is the shallow run. Okay, Elena, I guess I gave you the answer, brother. Because of 1 hour fair value gap, we didn't trade that. Okay, because efforts are priceless. Hit the like button, folks, as support to him. Yeah, guys, you can support me by hitting the like button. I'll be really grateful to all of you guys. Thanks for reminder, Ryan. Just give the like. Thank you, Said, for giving me the like, man. No worries. We are married to the market. Big Uzi, thank you, man. Yeah, we married to the market. Yeah, man. Yes, brother Shahid. Let's keep. Yep, guys. Thank you for giving me the likes. My boy, you're live again. Yeah, Meet Patel. I couldn't stop myself to explain this nice price action. That was the very nice price action. So I thought let's come back and talk about this price action little bit. Okay. How did you enter that trade? The fair value gap was not traded upon was waiting the fair value gap but was not tagged. Which one, Lenny? Can you tell me the which fair value gap you are talking about? Please, one more time. Whether do you use limit order or trade entry with market order with entry type will be better. I actually take the market order. Okay, I actually push my button in live. I don't like the limit order. I l- I prefer market order. Okay, I prefer that. Yeah, just bluff. Okay, I think now it's good. Sometimes my internet started to deny that you don't need to continue the live. Please go back. Okay. Yes, we can heard you. Thank you. That was okay, 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 okay. How will I select last parallel gap if there is multiple single leg making higher highs or lows? Every leg you will mark the every last parallel gap. You have to keep doing that. Okay, you have to keep doing that. Mid Patel bounced off daily parallel gap constant encouragement. I am not seeing anything from there. I need 15-minute chart. Okay, I believe in 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart is everything for me. Just everything for me. Still now I'm bullish, as I explained. I'm bullish. Until price reach that area, I'm bullish. If it can tap to the low of that entry fair value gap, I'm done. I'm done for the buy run. I'm not interested to take buy, not anymore. I'm done with that. Okay. But until it reach here, I'm bullish. I don't care about the lower run. Yeah, I will be bearish when if market can go below that new day opening gap again, okay, then I'll be bearish. Until then, I'm not bearish, I'm bullish. If price reach to the low of that entry fair value gap, I'm done with the bull run. Then I'm bearish. I'm done with the bull run. Okay, guys, is it clear? I'm just giving you the simple logic, man. I'm just going to give you the simple logic. It's not too complicated. But we already took the buy side liquidity of morning session high, right? Maybe, yeah, maybe. Morning session high, yeah, the morning session has taken over here. I don't care. Still, this is the random area. Market can reverse from random area. It has to reach a logical area. This is the logical area. It has to reach over there. As I told brother, I don't see the session liquidity, morning session liquidity, lunch hour session liquidity. No, I don't look the market like that way. I don't care about the session liquidity. I only care about uh, relatively equal highs liquidity, relatively equal lows liquidity, and I believe the fair value gap. And for me, 15-minute chart is the most important chart, the bellwether for me. I don't care about any other time frame, not even weekly, not even daily, not even monthly, nothing, because I'm trading in 1 minute chart. I don't need the daily, daily fair value gap to frame my trade, because market can stay inside a daily fair value gap for 1 week. So what do you, what do we do? We are not going to trade for 1 week because it's inside the fifth. I'm sorry, the daily fair value gap. No, man, no way. If I trade in hourly chart in that type of situation, I need the daily fair value gap as my direction. Okay, but if I'm trading in 1 minute chart, I need a lower time frame as my higher time frame direction. For me, below, guys, there is a story. Okay, if you have already watched ICT's 22 mentorship 22 mentorship, in that area he told that 15-minute chart is his bellwether and he can do everything from his 15-minute chart. That was the first time I was curious about 15-minute chart. Why he told like that way? Why 15 minute is important? So I started to stay in 15-minute chart and never left 15-minute chart, and finally I find it out. Whatever I got, I'm giving you free, okay? Without wasting your time. How to use the 15-minute chart. I'm just giving it for free. Now, if you keep telling me there is some level from 4 hour chart, hourly chart, 30-minute chart, daily chart, weekly chart, monthly chart, anything. If you keep doing that, it's gonna be very difficult for me to give you what I know. Okay, so please don't give me your understanding. Try to take my understanding. It will help you. Trust me, brother. It will help you. I'm here, right? At the London session, I do the live. At the New York AM session, I do the live. At the PM session, I come back again, just only to describe the price action so that you can get it. And I'm doing it for free, right? You are not paying me anything. You can tell me, brother, you are doing this because, oh man, seriously? 5 subscribers? Thank you. You can tell me that, oh brother, you are going to earn a lot of money from there, right? Let me just try. Let me try. Lot of money I'm going to get. US dollar. Save. Okay. $117. I just can earn this money by 1 minute. I just can earn this money by not even a 1 minute. 10 seconds. I can earn it, man. Trust me, I can earn this money by 10 seconds. Just 10 seconds. But yeah, I'm just spending hour and hour and hour so that you can get the point. Please don't refer me anything. Whatever you know, take it with yourself. Okay, I'm not trying to being rude. I'm trying to tell you the fact. Please, guys, see this relatively equal highs or that what to say? I mean the obvious liquidity. It has taken, right? Can you see? It has taken. That was the obvious liquidity. See, it has taken. How did it take? By another shallow run, right? So what you are going to do? You are going to mark that swing high now again as your buy side liquidity? No. This is not a buy side liquidity, not anymore. It's done. You have no buy side liquidity now. The buy side liquidity has taken. There is no buy side liquidity. So one time market went above with a shallow run. That is your obvious liquidity. One more time it has taken that high. It's done. There is no more buy side liquidity you have. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay. This is aha moment, brother. Thank you. Why, Ryan? Why did you give me thanks, brother? Uh, Kamo.say, cool. Thank you for cooling me. What if you create Telegram group which will be free and we talk about our ideas in that group? Future trend live investing, brother. That's a good idea, but the thing is, I'm really busy guy. Okay. Now, sometimes I'm very free, so I come morning session, AM session, PM session, London session to the live. When I get busy time, you won't see me for 1 week maybe, something like that. So to be honest, brother, I am unable to give my time. But if you guys want to start a Telegram channel and you can cope up with yourself, I will support that. Okay, but I can't promise you that I will be active over there. I'm only active in here to that Twitter and here to that YouTube. Okay, 4108. I'm really thankful to all of you guys who have actually subscribed to my channel. So at the morning session it was 100, so I got 8 more people. Thanks and welcome to all of you guys whoever subscribed to my channel. Okay, don't forget to comment because I would love to see your name. Check 13 14 13 14. What I have over there. 13, 14. So 13, 14. Yeah, I'm in here. What is there, brother? Lenny, what's over there, brother? Or maybe channel with open comment section. Everything is open over there, brother. I am really noob in the social media, trust me, man. I have no idea except this chart. I don't know anything. Evening, and how are you? Modestest, how are you, brother? It's been long, I didn't see your name, brother. How are you? Any advice if I'm starting to trade with real? I have no comment about that, man. It's, you know that better than me, better than anyone, that you are ready or not. But if you ask me, I will tell you to go to the paper trade, make a account over there, try to pass it first. If you can pass it, then try to complete another account, try to pass it in a row. This thing you have to keep doing 3 times. Okay, 3 times. If you pass 3 times the paper trading with the prop firm rules, this is the best idea to start the real money. That's my advice. Okay, I'm not giving you any advice. It's your job. I mean, it's your decision. Okay, 15-minute chart clears the blur. Absolutely, Mystic. You were right, man. Brother, what is your rule of inversion fair value gap? See this swing low, this low can't take the most obvious low. Now I am confused about here if there is any swing low or not. Now in a normal eyes, I can see this is the swing low, but there can be, this one can be a swing low. So this is not clear. When this will take a swing low, it's not going to make the inversion fair value gap. Now after seeing the price action, it is obvious that no, there was no swing low. Okay, so I told that I'm confused here. It happens sometimes. Okay, I was confused. The price came here to that 15-minute fair value gap. This is the 15-minute fair value gap. Nobody has comment over here. Look, why did it came? 15-minute fair value gap. This is the last fair value gap. This is the entry fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Go to 1-minute chart. Inversion fair value gap. Price came to that inversion fair value gap. Boom. There was the, remember there was the, what to say? I mean the obvious liquidity. Market has taken that obvious liquidity. For example, it was clear and you take that entry. Your stop loss has to be below that low until that high, for example. Okay, not a bad trade, not a bad trade. You don't need to reach over here. That's enough. Okay, Ahmed Mustafa, thank you, brother. We are paying by listening to your sweet voice. And if you were a girl, I'll be really so happy that you are saying that my voice is sweet. Actually, my voice is not sweet, it's sour. It suddenly became clear to me the relatively equal highs and lows, the shallow run. This is gold, brother. Thank you, Ryan. If you understand, I'll be the happiest person in this world. Okay, now I'm fully understand that shallow run. Thank you. No problem, Ahmed. Pete, are you able to open Discord? I have the Discord, brother. I have the Discord, but actually not mine. One of my brother, he opened the Discord. I'm not active over there, to be honest, Pete. I'm not active anywhere else except my Twitter and my over here. I don't have the Facebook, I don't have Instagram. Yeah, I have WhatsApp, but only because of my family. Okay, just my family members knows my WhatsApp. Otherwise, nobody knows about my WhatsApp as well. I don't have any other social media except Twitter and YouTube. I'm only active in these two places. Okay, so yeah, I can open it, but I won't be. Hey, businessman, I was missing you, brother. I was talking about you today's morning as well. Where were you, man? Businessman. Oh man, you forgot us. Peter was also asking for you. By the way, will the stream be recorded on YouTube? Yeah, man, it will be recorded on the YouTube. You will get it to my YouTube. I never delete anything from my YouTube, okay? I want to watch it, the stream first because I'm late. No problem. Future, you will get it to my YouTube channel, okay? I'm not going to delete anything. Busy working at my shitty job. Oh, modest dust. I was missing you, brother. I didn't see your name. So I try to remember your guys' names. So when you stop, I mean stop messaging or commenting. Every single time I just can't frame a trade. Okay, over here there was a chance, but here you can't frame a trade. If you missed it, like I was confused about the swing low. I missed it. I'm done. I can't frame my trade here. Nearly impossible. So either it has to reach a level first, then I can frame a trade. Otherwise, I have to see how it works. Okay. So I just can't frame my trade. When I see something, I will tell you. This is the game of patience. You have to wait. There's no other way. You have to wait. And I don't know you noticed today or not. I didn't open my DXY, not even for a single time. The reason is I was overconfident about the price run. Okay, I was overconfident. That's why I didn't open my dollar index chart. Brother, you are a very hardworking man. We really appreciate you coming and streaming all the sessions. And just wondering when do you sleep? Shahid, today I slept a lot. Near about 4 to 5 hours I slept today. Okay, I overslept today. But yeah, actually I sleep for 3 hours, 3 hours 30 minutes, something like that. So 3 to 4 hours every time I'm sleeping for last 7 to 8 years. So no more than 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours. You really are a terminator. Yeah, I'm a robot. Honest to 6 in DGI today, bro. What about you? Oh, Rishabh, how are you, brother? No, I wasn't. I didn't do well today. Okay, today was not good for me. I get near about $3,344 today. Okay, it was not good for me, but it was fine. I was kidding, brother. I was just kidding. Okay, Sheikh Salim, no worries. He has no wife at the moment. The moment he will get a wife, this time we will be begging for him to come to stream. Let's enjoy this moment. Let's know, man. There are no girls traders. No, there is no girl. No, there. Yeah, now in my life there were some girl traders. I mean, when I actually poll last time, I got some girl traders to my channel. So yeah, there were some. I don't know today we have or not, but yeah, we had some girl traders. Very true. I missed you too, brother. Businessman, we really missed you, brother. We really missed you. We missed your comment. Nice comments. I don't know much, but there was one meet parallel gap as well, where it made inverse parallel gap. Here, yeah, that was the last parallel gap from one meet chart as well. I didn't see it now. I mean, I didn't see it. Man, I was looking for this setup. When I got that setup, I don't need to frame another setup. But overall, after that, also I tried to, I mean, make that one. But yeah, I missed that 1 minute last parallel gap. So this is the 1 minute last parallel gap. This is a swing, retrace, swing, retrace, swing. This is 1 minute last parallel gap around the 15-minute last parallel gap. So price come here to that 1 minute last parallel gap, the reaction. This is the reaction. You can't frame your trade, guys. This is very important. Okay, you can't frame your trade from 1 minute last parallel gap without 15-minute last parallel gap. If there is a 15-minute last parallel gap along with 1 minute last parallel gap, oh man, that's gem. I mean, that's the real gem. Without 15-minute parallel gap, you can't frame your trade from 1 minute parallel gap. It's highly risky. Sometimes you will see it works perfectly, but most of the time you will regret. Okay, most of the time. So thank you, Preet. Yeah, you were right, man. Absolutely, you were right. What's the SMT indicator you are using? I guess Shahid gave me this. I don't remember Shahid. Maybe Shahid told me about this SMT, Joshu. SMT at the rate of Joshu. Okay, so I'm still confused about this SMT. I I will be used to. Okay, so if it works perfectly, then I'll be happy. So this is that indicator. Uh, Albert Sandy, which kind of indicator do you use? That's that indicator, brother. I don't know how to use it, but yeah. Ahsan Selim, love your work, bro. Always learn from you that help more refine IC technique. Happy Ramadan. Happy Ramadan, Hassan. Thank you, brother, for your compliment. Thank you, man. Hassan, you're late again, brother. I think market was good today. I think so, brother. Market was good today, and it will be good. It will be better day by day. It will be better. Okay, that's my belief. I thought there is no PM session. I just comment here. Okay, this is not my fault. Feels like coming live again. Okay, over there. See, this guy actually told AAFX, not AFX actually. Who was there? Who was there? I think, yeah, AFX. Yeah, he is the guy who told, yes, sir. Sorry, brother. He told that please come. Okay. Then I told him, let's go then. Suddenly, I planned for this PM session. Okay. It was a sudden decision. I think we are going lower after hitting the 1 hour fair value gap. Brother, I am only looking for these two fair value gaps. So let me go to 15-minute chart. This entry fair value gap or this 50-minute last fair value gap. Except hitting one of these fair value gap, I'm not bearish. Overall, I explained everything as a, yeah, businessman. You are late, maybe, brother. I have this sell side liquidity, so I'm bearish. I am bearish. Until it hits any of this level, I'm bullish. When it will hit any of this fair value gap, I am no more bullish until this one is broken. If it is broken, then I will be bullish again. Until it's not broken, I will look for the sell only. No more buy. Okay, only sell. Right now, I'm only taking buy. So over here, that's the buy. Every single time I was buying over here. Every single time. I frame lot of entry. Businessman, you can watch the morning session. That was the gem, man. You will get lot of information from today's morning session. So don't miss that one. Okay, try to make it speed. I mean, you can speed up, and you please watch the morning session, brother. At least the first part of the morning session. It's really gem. Lot of information about their business. I cannot find you on Twitter. Why you can't find me in Twitter? You have to find me in Twitter. You can say write at the rate of NRT12345. Okay, you will find me over there. Or you can do one more thing actually. If you come to my YouTube, you will get the link. Okay, so let me actually show it to you. So this is the current what to say, I mean, current live, right? Work PMC. So if you go to that description, look over here, Twitter. See, this is the link, Twitter. Now Facebook, it's not active because I just closed all of my social media. So you can see this Twitter link. So you can press over there, twitter.com. It will lead you here. So the way you want, you can do it the way you want. Okay, just from the description. At the same time, you will get the membership things over here. I don't know it or not. This is what the membership tab look like. Okay, something like that. I don't know. I have a lot of membership. I'm really surprised, but it's true. I got some membership. I never thought about that over here. So I think let me check actually. I'm just waiting for the price over there. So Sunrik, Ryan, Stephen, Amaslama, AAFX, Rain, Remigius, Suhil, and George. Still, George is for so long with me. But yeah, I got a lot of membership, man. Don't think that, I mean, they're all of my brothers, okay? They're all of my brothers. So they're not getting anything special from me. You can ask. I think some of them are here still. You can ask them. They're not getting anything special from me. So don't think that they're getting something special from me. No, nothing. But they are just supporting me for my coffee or something. But thanks to all for giving me the membership. Thanks to all. Okay. And Sandy, I guess you are going to get me on my Twitter. You are coming to India someday. If you can earn 200k USD, US dollar, okay, more than 200k, you have to send me the plane ticket. I will be there, Mayank. So I just can't go over there by my money. I will go over there by your money. But first, you have to earn at least 200k US dollar. Don't think it's a huge money. You can earn that within 6 months. It's very easy. I will show you how to earn that money when you will be used to with last travel gap, market structure shift concept, then the liquidity concept. Very simple thing, right? This type of things when you will be used to, I will show you how to earn that much money within a short period of time. First, you have to learn the direction where market is going. If you know where market is going, you won't be afraid of that run. You won't be afraid. Trust me, man. You won't be afraid of that run because you know why market is falling. If you know how to use the last parallel gap from 15 minute chart or higher time frame, 1 minute last parallel gap, you will know why market is falling. Okay, you will know how far it will go, why it will go here. Though you have the liquidity here, why market is going higher? Because it reaches from a random level, random area. It can't do that. It has to reach a specific level. That's why market is going higher. Man, I'm just trying to make it more simple, more clear. It's your job. You will take it or not. If you want to mix your idea with mine, you will mess up. You'll be messed up. Okay. This is yes, bro. Those 15-minute Fable Cup are the same as 1 hour Fable Cup. I see, brother. The 1 hour Fable Cup is a huge Fable Cup. So I have this to 15-minute Fable Cup. It's clear for me, and I love to stay in 15-minute chart. Okay. Modestus, we'll watch tomorrow that gem. No problem, Modestus. If you want to watch, you can watch, brother. But that's really soulful. Just the first part. What's the first part? You will get so many precision. Okay. Those two parallel gaps that you are waiting for are from 15 minute. Absolutely, Jack T. It's from 15 minute, brother. Let me show you. Market has taken the buy side liquidity. This is the market structure shift. This is the first parallel gap. The first parallel gap turns into the last parallel gap. This is the entry parallel gap. It's still the entry parallel gap. So market has to reach any of this parallel gap before falling. I love to see the reversal from here. It will keep this parallel gap open like that way. I love to see that. But if it reached to that last parallel gap, nothing is wrong with that. Nothing is wrong. Okay. I have the sell side liquidity here and here. That's my extreme sell side liquidity. Now today is the Monday. I'm sorry, Tuesday. Yesterday was the accumulation day. This is the manipulation day. Tomorrow will be the expansion day. So boom, retrace, boom. Friday it will reset. That's my plan for this week. Okay. I explained everything in my weekly analysis streaming. You miss it, you can rewatch that. Okay. I did it in Sunday, I guess. High time frame travel gap with lower time frame inversion travel gap entries are the best. What are your thoughts on this? Not bad. Rishabh Baluni, it's not bad, brother. High time frame travel gap with lower time frame inversion travel. If you can mark the inversion travel gap, it's always the best. But you have to mark the perfect inversion parallel gap. Trust me, it's really difficult because ICT himself told he didn't clear the inversion parallel gap. Whatever I'm telling you, this is my observation. It can be wrong, it can be right, it can be wrong, but I don't care about any other people. I never learn anything from any other people except ICT. Now ICT never clear anything perfectly, never ever. Not the fair value gap, not the water block, not the breaker block, not the rejection block, not the mitigation block. I told you that I will show you the mitigation block. Still now I didn't get any example from yesterday to until today. I didn't get any example for the mitigation block. So I was unable to show you because I want to show it to you from live chart, not some kind of. I will pick it from here, then I will show you. See how beautifully the mitigation block works. I don't like that shit. I love to show it to you with in live, okay? In live. I'm still waiting. The ICT never cleared anything perfectly. He just gave us a general idea. It's your job to find out how to get that. Okay? Now, if you ask me about the water block, can you tell me, is there anyone who talked about the water block? Everyone will tell you the last downfall scandal is the water block. But when you will look for the water block, there is some rules, brother. Trust me, there is some rules. Without the rules, it's really difficult to find out the real water block, real breaker block, real mitigation block, everything. Now, in mitigation block, it's very simple because I didn't study the mitigation block that much. In last video of ICTs, I saw he used the mitigation block, so I will try to explain. If I get an example, I will try to explain that the mitigation block. Otherwise, mitigation block, I am not interested. Okay, I'm not interested for that. Look what market is doing. It's just spending time over here. Why it's spending time over here? Is it going to, sorry, is it going to break below? Boom, something like that. Is it really possible at the last hour? I don't think so. Now it can spend time here. It can spend time here. Then after the session, it can expand higher, like yesterday. Remember yesterday I told that I'm bullish. Where is the yesterday? So here, that was my buy side liquidity over here. Sorry, this was my whole buy side liquidity. So around PM session, it was consolidating. After 4 p.m. or around 4 p.m. I think after 4 p.m. Yeah, after 4 p.m. it went higher. Still it expand higher. Something can happen today as well. It can spend time over here now because we got a lot of run today. Lot of entry opportunity over here. Lot of things over here. It can spend more time here. Then after the PM session, it can expand until that fair value gap. Okay, those two fair value gap. Okay, at a time, but okay, everything you share on this stream is precious for success in this business. Thank you for that compliment, Ayan. Said, brother, I want to earn that 200k inshallah, so you can come to visit here in Canada. Inshallah, Said. Inshallah. Mayank, okay, I will earn $1 million and invite you to my marriage. I'll be there, brother. I'll be there, inshallah. Everything is important when it's in premium or discount. Same thing, Ravi, Rishabh, actually, brother. Please don't get me rude, okay? Don't give me the direction, please. Don't tell me something I'm not interested, like premium and discount. I'm now fully fed up to repeat this thing again, and again. I don't look the price depending on the premium and discount. I know every single people look for that premium and discount things. Every single person, right? You are not with me in the morning session. So over here, market has taken the buy side liquidity. This is all the market structure shift. Look at the leg over here. If you mark the leg from here to here, we took a sell here. Here, is that premium or is that discount? What do you think? That was the sell side liquidity. What do you think? Is that premium or discount? Obviously, this is the discount. We took sell over there to the deep discount. Market has taken the liquidity. Market structure shift. Now over here, where is your premium and discount? What do you think? Where is your premium and discount? Is that premium or is that discount? Where should you look for your buy? Obviously here, we took our buy here to the deep premium. Okay, it never reached to the discount. Market went higher. So guys, I really don't care about the premium and discount. I only care about the fair value gap. For me, I know I'm not telling you to go for that. I'm just telling you don't refer me anything. Okay, like 4 hour chart, hourly chart. Please don't refer me. If you keep referring something to me, it made me confused. So I stopped by myself. It really is so hard for me to explain everything the way I want to explain. Okay, brother, don't get me rude, but I'm just trying to explain my feelings. Okay, brother, I hope you will understand, brother. ICT said he didn't talk fully about water block. He's saving that information for his book. Go to my Twitter, just play my pin post over here. That is my pin post. I write it down. Listen, why I don't like to talk about order block and nobody knows what is order block actually. I proved to my point. That small video is from ICT, okay? ICT himself from the 22 YT mentorship episode 19. He talked about the order block and he told that nobody knows what is order block. Simply, he just told that. I don't know what is order block. But what I am using, it worked 99% of the time for me. I'll actually go for that. Simply, man. But I also don't know what is water block. Okay. Yeah, he's saving information for his book, brother. It's true. If you help me get my FTMO challenge, I will invite you to Germany. I'm not gonna help for that. Okay, I can only help to read the price section. I can't help you for that, brother. I can't, man. I forgot to use question mark. Oh, okay, okay, Rishabh. In that things, okay, in that type of situation, thank you, brother. Okay, if that was a question, man, I really don't look for premium and discount. Okay, I'm sorry, Baluni. I'm extremely sorry, brother. Yeah, I don't look for discount and premium, brother. Are you a charter member or just mentorship 2022? Meet Patel, I was in 2019 in his chartered membership, but I really didn't get anything from there. I was really in doubt that this is kind of a scam. ICT never can. I mean, this is just a scam. I have just wasted my money. This never can work because when I was watching his video, everything was so clean. But when I came here to my chart, it was like this. Okay, and I got stepped out so many times, and I started to think, oh man, this is just a scam. I just wasted my money. But later in 2022, when I started his 22 mentorship, oh, I just can't explain, man, how beautiful it was. But to be honest, if I can meet with ICT for 30 minutes, just for 30 minutes, I will ask him some question. I will break Larry Williams' record. I challenge you, man. I will break Larry Williams' record by myself. But I need ICT for 30 minutes, just 30 minutes. I have some question. He will just clear my doubts. That's all. Nothing else. I don't need anything else. Okay, don't troll me, man. But that is my feelings. Okay, that is my feelings. Just telling you, that is my feelings. I believe that I can do it. Okay, something like that. Oh man, are you still bearish? I'm still bearish, brother. But until it reach here, I'm not bearish. When it will reach to that level gap, from then I will start to look for sell. Now I'm not looking for sell. I am only looking for buy. But I'm not looking for any setup here because you can see this is just consolidation. If you look here, there was a chance. I was confused about that swing low. Was that a inversion parabolic up or not? I was a little confused. There was the buy side liquidity, obvious buy side liquidity. It has taken from here to here. So that setup happened at 246 and it closed at 2453. Okay, so yeah. So after that, market is just range bounding. So still, I'm not looking for sell. That's for sure. But yeah, if market can reach over here, it's just 20 handle. But yeah, it's still an opportunity. Market has taken some liquidity here. Market structure shift. Sorry, here. Market structure shift maybe. It's going here. That fair will get simply okay. But when it will be here, then I'll be bearish. Otherwise, I'm not bearish. Okay, Meet Patel, don't come to Canada. You will hate it, lol. Okay. Don't no Canada. Why don't you? I will go in Calgary. Okay, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Calgary. These three city I love to visit. Okay, one day I will go over there. Will we have London drama for tomorrow? Hassan, I guess so, man. I guess so. At least for 1 hour. Okay, so maybe from 4 to 5 Newark local time, because the London session is going to start from 3 a.m. Newark local time. 3 to 6 is the London session. So I will be there at least for 1 hour. I mean from 4 to 5. Awesome. Lol, makes sense. Okay. Now that price has closed the 4 hour parabolic gap. Do you expect a bearish move? Oh man, how many times I will say that? Don't refer me any other time frame, brother. Please, no 4 hour. Have you ever seen me to go to 4 hour chart over here? Have you ever seen me to come here? See this parabolic gap. I don't care about this parabolic gap. This parabolic gap has I mean, no value, no value to me. This parabolic gap has no value to me. Is it clear, brother? This 4 hour price action, maybe for some other people, they will see this parabolic gap, precise parabolic gap, or they have the value over here. I don't see this is a fair value gap or anything, man. To be honest, this 4 hour chart. Have you ever seen me come here? I don't think so. For me, I will only look for this fair value gap. Or if I go to hourly chart, yeah, I can say it can happen because I have this hourly fair value gap. But if you ask me, my best option is it will reach here to that 15-minute fair value gap. I will care about this hourly fair value gap, but for me the best is the entry fair value gap. Until price reach over there, I'm not looking for sell. Here, if it started to go lower, go below that low, maybe after that I will look for a kind of sell or something. But until it reach over here, I'm not looking for sell. So how many handle actually? Here to here. It's near about 10 handle. If price left that area for 10 handle, I'm gonna miss everything. To be honest, brother, for me, this 15-minute fair value gap is everything. I don't care about 4 hour chart. Okay, brother. Okay. See the pro. I guess, brother, you got my answer. And guys, sometimes you can think that I'm rude. I'm not rude, brother. Okay, my voice is like that way. I was fasting whole day. I'm here in live. This is the third time. Okay, in a day, this is the third time I'm here. I'm really so tired, and right now I'm feeling so thirsty as well. Okay, so you can think that I'm rude, but I'm not rude, brother. So don't misunderstand me, and don't think that I'm rude because my English is not good. So sometimes it seems like I'm rude, but I'm not rude. Okay, all of you are my brother, so how can I be rude? I'm learning ICT for almost a year now. Shame, I never come across you earlier. You are very knowledgeable and passionate trader. Thank you, Herman. Thanks for that compliment. Are you new to my channel, brother? No, it's fine, bro. Even I don't look for premium and discount. Then we are the brother. Rishabh, we are the brother. It's my first time on your screen. Any advice, hint, thoughts is well appreciated. Herman, just keep coming. Just keep coming to my life. You will learn so many things. So many things you will learn if you can understand my English word. Okay. I have the problem with my English word pronunciation. Otherwise, if you just keep coming, you will get everything of this price action. Now, I can't assure you that you will be profitable every single day, but if you keep coming here, I can assure you that you will be profitable at least 4 days out of 5 days if you just follow everything, whatever I tell you. And I'm not making things complicated, it's the very simple thing, very simple thing. Just 15-minute last fair value gap or entry fair value gap, buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity. You have to be you have to be sure with your direction. You can't be overthink of the opposite direction. Guys, is there anyone who is with me for near about 7 days, 1 week on now? Is there anyone who is with me for 7 days? Not the well-known person, okay? Very new, just for 7 days, just for 7 days, and you attend to my live every day. Is there anyone? Just let me know. Bro, it's okay for tourism, but living here is not that good anymore. No, I'm not going to leave Europe. I love Europe. Yeah, one obvious, use the text option and add it on your screen. Do not give me the levels. Okay, Amit, I will search it. Is it really possible? Okay, I will search it in YouTube if I can make it. My friend ICT Pro Trader Path, he actually managed everything for me. This obvious studio setup, everything he did it for me. Okay, I'm a noob over here. Bro, where can I learn this trading concept? The ICT, ICT, the inner circle trader. You can go to his channel. He is the father of this concept, so you can learn it from there. Okay, I mean from his 22 mentorship. If you go to his playlist, you will see 22 mentorship. There will be 41 video. You can start from there, brother. Okay, this is the best place to learn. I am nothing. Okay, I am no one. I know nothing about this price action. That guy is the wizard. So you can go to his channel. You can start from there. Okay, he has took all time high. Okay, he has took all time high. What do you mean by that? Again, it has taken all time high. No, this is over. Okay, let me go over here. No, it didn't take the all time high. This is the all time high. It didn't take it. What you were referring, brother? It didn't take that. Mm-hmm. It's good to have your own rules. Impressed. Thank you. Sometimes it seems I'm in a loss, but I'm not in a loss. Okay, Modestus. Brother, so you were with me for 7 days at least, okay? Lemur Slope Vet also. Pandey, you were also with me for 7 days. Thank you, Meet Patel. I will DM you on Twitter. Okay. So guys, you were with me for 7 days. Now, did you notice something? I was strict with my bias. I mean, with my direction. I never changed my direction. Did you notice that? Did you ever see until this 7 days? Okay, just for 7 days. Did you see how many times I was wrong with my direction? Just let me know that, okay, brother? How many times I was wrong with my direction? Just tell me that. Because I believe that I am 99% of sure. I'm 99% sure about my direction. If you know the direction, entry is nothing. Entry is totally nothing. You have to know about the direction. Lemur, you are here. Yeah, Slowfit, I got your, I mean, I saw your comment before, brother. See the pro, not, no offense taken. Why do you use the 15-minute and 1 in time frame instead of others? See the pro, because 15-minute is my bellwether. I can do anything with 15-minute chart, and I get the most precise price action from 15-minute chart. I actually execute my trade in 1 minute chart because I believe that I'm a scalper, though I'm not a scalper. I'm a very newbie. So that is why I am using 15-minute chart and 1 minute chart. There's no other reason. Okay, brother? Mm, okay, you are the best, Amga. Thank you, Amga. I'm not the best. You are the best. You guys are the best. I'm not the best. Any trade? Um, Bhaskar Deka. No trade, brother. You're late already. There was a trade here. You're late. Lenny Koski here. Okay, Lenny. So just let me know if you have answered my question. I've been with you for around 3 to 4 weeks. Siddhapo, you have been with me for longer, so your comment is not acceptable. Bro, do you look for any specific time and set up in PM session? No, I don't do that. Ayan. I'm happy to take my trade from 1 p.m. So here, this is the 1 p.m. My session start from 1 p.m. Actually, not 1 p.m. from 12:50. The macro start from 12:50. So from 12:50, I start to look for the trade, and whole day is the same. Okay, I don't look. I mean, I don't trade macro anymore. I was trading macro. Just the simple rules. You if you come to my channel, are you kidding me? 17 people. Oh, that was huge, man. Just come here to my YouTube channel. I'm just showing this. And I'm not going to make the recap because last recap video didn't get any view. I don't want to make any other video about the recap. Not today actually. If you come here to this macro, see, this is just a macro. There will be maybe how many video? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 to 7 video over there. This is the macro, the easiest one. At the end of the week, there was 8 winning, no losing. Okay, so I write it down over here. 8 winning, no losing. Just one setup. You can watch those video. This video is all about the rules. You have to follow the rules strictly. Then you can go for that. You will be asked, you will be surprised if you watch that macro videos. Trust me, man. I'll be tomorrow morning for London. I live in UK. Oh, okay, see the pro. So you live in UK. You will be in the morning. Okay, if I come to live, I will retweet. I mean, sorry, I will tweet here first to my Twitter. I will tweet here first, then I will come. Okay, so before coming live, I always tweet over there. Thank you. I'm here with you more than 7 days. I don't remember. Hassan, your comment is not accepted. Okay. Where are you from, brother? And how profitable you are using ICT trading, and what spark you got to move to ICT? I'm from Bangladesh, and the rest questions is this is not the good place to answer that question. Okay. I will ask me this question in Sunday when market is closed, because I don't want to stop my talking in when I was just reading the price. Okay, so ask me the question in Sunday when I'll do the weekly analysis. I'll give you all the answer, brother. But I'm from Bangladesh, bro. I really need that level to know direction of the day. It's the simple thing, brother. I just explain how to do that. You have to follow the things. That's all. Just that's all. If you see the 4 hour chart, let me go over there. So this is the 4 hour chart, right? This is the 4 hour fair value gap. If you look for that fair value gap, you will be confused. This candle came to the 4 hour fair value gap. Then what should you look for? Sell side, right? You will be confused. Now, if you come to 1 hour chart, look over here. This is a very big fair value gap from 1 hour chart. If I ever see this, I actually go to 15-minute chart. If I ever confused about the 15-minute chart, I go 1 hour chart. Simple thing. Now, from 15-minute chart, where is your level? This is your level. You know the direction. You know the direction. Why? Market can reverse from a random area. From here, it can't reverse. When price came here to that 50-minute last fair value gap, easily it can reverse. So look how it went lower and take the liquidity there. There was the liquidity. Okay, I removed the line from my chart, but there was the liquidity. If you are confused, you can watch my morning session. This is the last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. A logical level. Came here, boom. Went higher, boom. Again, it went lower. Can it reverse from there? Never possible. Why? This is a random area. So when it went lower, what should you look for? Buy. Obviously, you should look for buy, because you are believing that market is not going to reverse from a random area. Simple logic. Now, don't be confused with other time frame like 4 hour, like daily, any other time frame. Don't get confused over there. You have this 15-minute. Just utilize the 15-minute chart. This is the gem, man. This is the gem. Now you don't believe me? It's your fault, not my fault. Okay. Mm, you are perfect. Really, Lenny? I'm perfect. Okay, no problem. See the pro. Okay, no problem. Jesus says, okay. অন্তর মজুমদার কি অবস্থা ভাই? অন্তর মজুমদার, I'm fine, brother. How are you, brother? Also, you watch NQ or ES more? I trade NQ. Right now I'm trading NQ when market will start to fall. Okay, right now market is not going to fall. This is the short term bear run. Market is going to make the all time high again. That's my belief. Okay, this is just a short term bear run. That's all. So when market will take that sell side liquidity, I will start to look for buy again. My down move has done already. When this liquidity will be taken, okay. So when permanently market will start to fall, then I will go to E-mini S&P. I will start to trade E-mini S&P. Right now, until the bull market, I would love to stay with Nasdaq. Now, guys, this is again, okay. This is one more time. It made me perfectly right. Where did it tap? Here. This 15-minute entry favorable gap, right? I'm done. I'm done with the bull move. Now I'm willing to take sell. What time is it now? It's 3:42. So after 3:45, no entry is valid. After 3:45, no entry is valid. This is forbidden. So you can say, brother, from the PM session, that run, I'm done with that, right? I should have done with that. Now, here I got a little confused, but most of the time I don't get confused. This swing loss really made me confused. Otherwise, that was the inversion fair gap. You can say how beautifully it went higher. You know the direction, entry is nothing. Over here, when market has taken that low, I don't know it has taken that low or not. If this low is taken, okay, it didn't take that low. So there was no entry actually. This is your sell side liquidity now. This is going to be taken. This sell side liquidity is your next target. When market came to this entry fair value gap, now I'm done with bull run. I'm not bullish anymore. If market start to come here until to that last fair value gap, I'm not going to take buy. I will just let it go. I will just look for the sell now. Okay, I'm just going to look for the sell. That's all. Okay. From where you take the fair value gap that the price bounced from 1444, 1444, 1444. This is a 15-minute fair value gap, brother. Here, entry fair value gap from 15-minute chart. This is the last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. This is the entry fair value gap from 15-minute chart. See, that's all, brother. ভাই আজকে আমার অ্যাকাউন্ট খালি হয়ে গেছে। আপনি কি বাংলাদেশে থাকেন? Yes, brother, I am in Bangladesh right now. What happened to your account, Bhaskar? Today's price action was too beautiful, just too good. How did you blow your account then? Herman, MSS 1 1-minute chart inside of 15-minute parallel gap towards buy side or above 15-minute parallel gap, genius. Okay, Herman. Yeah, maybe. Jack T, I saw it now. What did you see, brother? Jack T? See the pro, I consider you a price action ICT trader. You look at price action and see setups all the time. I have noticed this about your trading style. I want to pick up more from you. You explain it as you go. Thank you, see the pro. Ryan, boom, absolutely, brother. That's the boom. Where you posted that weekly analysis or you post daily review. No, just to my account. You go to live. From live section, you can see where is that? Here, weekly analysis, Sunday 10th March 2024. So it's near about 1 hour and 54 minutes. So you can skip the rubbish talking, bullshit talking. You can skip them, and you can just take the important things. Okay, from there. So that's the weekly analysis. Just go to my live, and from live you will get that weekly analysis. George, great, Titu. Thank you, George. Hassan, you know this job, brother. Boom, boom. Thank you, Hassan. I love to travel in Turkey, man. Please earn the money. Send me the ticket. I would love to visit Turkey, man. I was fan from the Artugul. Artugul, the series. I have finished that series, and from there I got fan of Turkey. Ryan, awesome brother, exactly to the tick. Absolutely, thank you, brother. Exactly to the tick. Thank you, brother. On the other, bro, can please suggest some assets trade suitable for ICT concept? I try ICT concept in Bitcoin, but accuracy was very low. I never trade the cryptocurrency, brother, so I can't give you any suggestion. I believe that ICT concept works in future market. I mean the indices market best, but forex market also works perfectly. But you have to be careful with the manipulation over there. So otherwise, yeah, that's all, brother. I mean cryptocurrency, I can't give you anything. I mean cryptocurrency, I have no idea. After 345, no entry is valid. That is forbidden. Okay, that's forbidden. You can't take your entry after 345. I don't care how beautiful the setup is. I don't care how long you are waiting for that setup. If you ever do that, that is kind of violation of the rules. If you violate the rules in a short period of time, maybe you will be profitable, but in a longer period of time, you will blow your account. That's for sure. Okay, for sure, man. Let's join to Tito's channel. Thank you, George. Yeah, please join to my channel, man. He's awesome. I'm awesome. Are you Nepali, bro? No, random helper. Where are you from, brother? I'm from Bangladesh, brother. I'm not Nepali, I'm Bangladeshi. Thank you for your time to review. You are most welcome, AAFX. Thanks for responding to all questions. So, do you make live all day at random times? This is a very difficult question, guys. Again, one more time. This is my Twitter. Whenever I come live, I tweet here beforehand. Okay, over here. See, sorry to disturb you again. Newark PM session trade and tape ready. In the morning session, let me go. Yeah, here for today's stream. And for the London session, yeah, the London session link. So whenever I come to live, I tweet here beforehand. So random, I don't know. When I feel good, when I see good price action, I come live, right? You will get the notification if you are with me in my Twitter. So you mean ICT work well in future and no, not future indices. Future indices are the same thing. I mean indices. That means this market, Nasdaq and the S&P market, and the forex market. ICT things works in Bitcoin as well. I mean cryptocurrency market as well. But I didn't try that. Okay, I never tried that. So I just can't tell you that because I didn't try that. But some of my brother, he told me that, I mean 2 or 3 people, 3 brothers from my channel, they told me that it works in uh, cryptocurrency as well. But I'm not sure, okay, because I didn't try that, so I can't tell you that it's going to work. Can you apply this concept to every pair including gold? Yeah, obviously, man. I showed it that it worked perfectly in gold. Perfectly in gold. I did the live streaming. I take the live trade in my channel, in my live. If you go to my live and you will see this gold thing. I mean it is if I can get it or not. After taking obvious liquidity forex USD, I think here day trading gold. Okay, see gold. This is the gold. Here day trading gold. No news Tuesday. I mean if you go to my live you will see I showed it that this concept worked perfectly in gold as well. Okay, I showed it all. I've already turned on my notifications on YouTube and Twitter for drama. Thank you, Asan. Okay, but I'm not checking Twitter, so asked you have Discord? No, brother. I'm only active in Twitter and my YouTube channel. No other place I'm not active, okay? I'm sorry, brother. Yep, we can trade futures with tight stop loss, but not forex. Yeah, for forex you have to put longer stop loss because that is over manipulated. Okay? Over manipulated. So I don't like forex not anymore after the pandemic, 2022 pandemic. Forex is just a shit market right now. There is nothing precision, no precise price action, nothing at all. I hate forex market right now. Okay. Okay, let's meet tomorrow. We will rewatch this remaining part tomorrow. No, I'm going to complete for, I mean, I'm going to finish for today. So no need to come back. Thanks to 18 people, whoever actually subscribed to my channel. It was 100 to the morning session. I got 80 more people. I'm really so happy. Thanks to all for subscribing to my channel. And yeah, I'm done for the PM session. I don't know did I waste your time or not, but I thought to explaining whole price action over here, it's really so important. That's why I told I'm coming live again over here. So if you feel it worked perfectly, thank you guys. And if you feel it was not that much informative, I'm sorry to spoil your time. Okay, sorry to waste your time, guys. Thank you, man. Okay, thank you, brother. No problem, Ryan. Allah bless you more. Thank you, brother. Did you try the concept in Asia session? No, I didn't do it, man. Exactly, I didn't do it, brother. You choose a specific days for trading according to news and PA. The Sijo Shaj, brother, you have to come back, okay? I mean, whatever you are asking, you will, you have no idea what I'm doing here, okay? I mean, whatever you are asking, it has no relation with me. I have a very specific plan. I have a very specific guideline. I have very everything that is very specific, okay? So you have to keep coming at least 1 week. If you just keep coming 1 week, you don't need to ask me any question. Trust me. No question. I will give you every answer before asking me the question. I talk too much, brother. Okay? Whoever actually talks too much, they give the answer without asking him any question. You don't need to ask me any question. Just keep coming 7 days only. You will get the all answer you are asking. Is it working? I never try the Asia session, brother. I never try, so I don't know is it working or not over there. Thank you, Hassan. No problem, brother. Uh, thanks for being with me, guys. Thanks to all for being with me to inspire me to continue this streaming. This bullshit is this over talking. Thanks to all, man, for being with me. You trade Indian market. I am unable to trade Indian market because I am in Bangladesh and I live in Portugal. I'm unable to trade Indian market. Okay. I'm really surprised to see a good trader from Bangladesh. Comment of the year. Why Bangladesh people can't be the good trader? Okay, I'm not a good trader, but this comment. Oh man, anyone can do this. We just need to show up every day. Yeah, absolutely, brother. You just need to come every day, and you have to bear my over speech, over talking, and then, guys, please before leaving, don't forget to give me a like. Thanks for joining. Hope we will meet tomorrow. So until then, cheers. Ramadan Mubarak.